this blog post I did was actually something to do with Ask the Compound last week. Remember, we got a few questions about tech. Someone was worried that we were in a tech bubble. Someone wanted to go all in on tech. So I said, listen, whatever decision you make, these are the things you have to think about. So Jim, without knowing anything about you, I don't know your goals, I don't know your financial circumstances, this seems like a very reasonable asset allocation and investment plan to me. I love the fact that he's got 4 years of expenses in treasuries, right? He's got that part down. I hope they're relatively short-term in nature. You don't want to take a lot of duration risk of those spending needs.
Yeah, you don't put that in TLT, right?
Yeah. Not like you, psycho. Your risk assets are diversified between, let's see, market caps, investment style, growth, and value, even sprinkled in some gold and crypto as a hedge. I don't hate it. My only quibble maybe would be I didn't hear any international stocks. That could be a potential, but we're splitting hairs here. The allocation seems good. The way that I always tell people to think about your asset allocation is you just need to take into account, and I learned this in the CFA, your willingness, need, and ability to take risk. So what kind of returns do you need to reach your required goals? What's your capacity to deal with gains and, more importantly, losses? And what's your appetite for risk? Are you a nervous investor or are you comfortable with volatility? There are a lot of reasonable allocations and investment plans you could choose. The biggest question is, can you stick with this one? Jim, I say nicely done here. No notes. I think you did pretty good. Is this a reasonable allocation that you can stick with and rebalance? Other than that, you're doing just fine. Well done.